Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We carry several of the top knife brands, and Spyderco is definitely one of them. This is one of my favorite knives. This is the Spyderco Chaparral. It's a carbon fiber folding pocket knife. It weighs only 2.5 ounces, and it's made with carbon fiber G10 laminate handle, and the blade is made from CTS XHP stainless steel. And as you can see, I opened that knife using the Trademark Round Hole, and it includes a reversible deep pocket wire clip that allows you to carry this knife discreetly in your right or left side. And it's tip up. And for more specifications, please read in the description below. These cost $161, but that includes free shipping. And please subscribe to our channel to see new releases, discount codes, specials, and other everyday carry gear. Thank you.